What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So in this video, guys, you guys are going to get to watch Jeremiah get this engine bay primered up, painted up, and cleared up, and get her looking real good and wet. Pause before we put that new K20A3 that he's putting down in there. So if you're not subscribed, guys, smash that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. Go on and smash the like while you're at it, because you're going to enjoy this one. It's going to be a banger like all the other ones. And don't forget to activate the bell icon down below to get notifications whenever we drop something new on the channel, boys. So yeah, guys, in this video, like I said, he's going to do some primering, some painting, and I had a little bit of clear left over from my homeboy's GSR EG coupe build. That's going to be on a separate video. That's already been painted and clear coated, and like I said, the clear we got left over from this project, I end up donating it to Jeremiah since he didn't have no clear. Might as well, that way it don't get wasted. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, boys. Here we go.
What's up, guys? We've been scrubbing away and been using different types of stuff, like the Rust-Oleum and everything. Let it sit. There's still a couple spots and everything like that, but it's a lot better than it really was down here. We're gonna prime it down and paint some of it black and everything like that. It's not a show car, you know. It's a daily driver. It don't have to be too pretty, but yeah, guys. Alright, guys, here's how she's coming so far. Got some of this stuff primed off. Most of it. Everything. This is just first coat too, so it's gonna need some touch-ups here and there. That's mostly all the spots that I was trying to avoid the rust and everything from going on. But I got some drips there. It's whatever. I'm new to this, so yeah, guys, she's going pretty good. Guys, first coat down. It's all dried up. Pretty good coverage, I think. Tried to avoid getting as much overspray on parts I'm not painting, because I'm not painting the whole motor bay, just where the rust was at and everything. But yeah. Alright, guys, so now we got the second coat done. Looking pretty good in my opinion. I went pretty light with it on the second coat in some places, but then other places of where it was pretty bad, like right here I went pretty heavy, and right back in there it was kind of bad too, so I went heavy there. But yeah, she's looking good to me. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna paint this probably tomorrow. I'll put some primer on it and paint that. Got that bar back there sprayed down pretty nice. There was some bad rust back there, so I just kind of took the can and let her eat back there. But she's back. She's back again. Good. Just letting all the viewers know how good of a job I'm doing. What's up, guys? The second day coat here, all dried off. Everything looks good to my standards. Got some overspray everywhere, but when we spray black over it, that'll cover it. Right now, just working on this T-bar, getting all these little itty bitty rust spots out and everything. And then we're gonna prime this thing up and see if she looks good. I figured it kind of matters because it's one of those pieces that, you know, sit right here. Like, how does it sit? Like this, yeah. Oh no, it sits like this, my bad. Kind of sits like this, so it's one of them pieces that you kind of see first thing you open the hood, so figured make this look pretty good. Yeah, guys, I'll show y'all when I get this all shaved down. Alright guys, first coat of primer done on the T-bar. Looking good so far. Nice and thick. And in case y'all are wondering, we're using Rust-Oleum Automotive Primer Sealer. So, holy shit guys, a truck just ran through the train thing. That's crazy. Alright guys, here's my T-bar bracket. That's what holds the latch and all that. Got her looking pretty good, I think. I'm gonna let her sit here. I put 2 coats on it because I don't really have that much primer. I ain't really got that many funds right now, so I put 2 coats on it. And then I also painted a bunch of my brackets, which I'll show y'all that. Alright guys, so this is one of the brackets I painted. It's a little wet right now still, but I'm gonna try to show y'all. So that's the brake bracket. It holds the brakes, like this thing, and that holds the brake stuff. And then these are like it's cruise control bracket. And this is my wire harness bracket. And then these are just miscellaneous brackets that go along the back wall, firewall, that I think would look better, not all rusty, would look better in black. Yeah guys, I wasn't lying guys, it really did happen. There's a guy here fixing it now. Alright guys, so now here's my T-bar. Spray this thing down, see how she looks. Got the car over there drying. Y'all are gonna see that in a minute. Yeah boys.
Quick update on the ep3 boys. Jeremiah's got his bay all nice and cleaned up, painted up. Doesn't look wet. So, just got his clutch off for him. He didn't want to mess with it because some of the bolts on the clutch or the pressure plate looked like they was rounded off, and those are 12.10 millimeter bolts. So sometimes people tend to use the wrong stuff to do it. So yeah, I got those off for him, and fixing to take the flywheel off, and then he's going to be going to get his motor sometime this week. So yeah boys, just a little update.
Boy, that shit. Ooh, this shit. Alright guys, first coat is done. She's looking pretty good, I think. We are outside though, so there might be a little bit of dirt that finds its way up into places.
Had some leftover clear from
really
my homeboy's engine bay
hit
when I was
everything,
done with it. So I gave it to
didn't
Jeremiah.
hit
He
this
put it
little
to
thing.
use,
Might look
boys.
tacky.
Check it out.
Kind of like it to where it blends in, you know. I don't know, but I'm trying to hit everything that was the major part and at least focus on little overspray places, because it is a daily driver. So I mean, it ain't got to be perfect, but yeah guys, that's the first coat done. I'm gonna give her about 30 minutes, 20 minutes to rest for a little bit, and then come back in here. I only bought 2 cans. First can, I ran out about right down here. After I had done all this, I ran out about right down here. And so I had to open up the next can, but now I got that T-bar all sprayed. It's over there, hidden. You are gonna see that in a little bit. But yeah, guys, so I'll holler back at y'all when I'm spraying the second coat. All right, guys, sprayed the whole bay down basically. We kind of went crazy with the black everywhere. Just got done putting the first coat on those, the strut towers. Looks pretty good. I got some overspray there, but it ain't nothing lacquer than I can't wipe off. But yeah, it's looking good.
Wow, boy.
Shine it up a little bit.
It look good. Look. Oh. You see the phone in it?
Got that third coat of clear coat on there, guys. Man, she's wet, y'all. For not taking anything out of the engine bay, not doing anything like that at all, man. Turned out really good.
All right, boys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like the results, because we sure do. We're pumped, boys, ready to get this K20A3 put back down in there. So yeah, guys, definitely going to want to stay tuned to this channel. So don't forget to hit the bell icon down below to get notifications when these videos is dropping. We still got this build here. We just got the bay painted on that as well. So we got plenty more content dropping non-stop. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned in, guys. And yeah, boys, appreciate each and every single one of you. We wouldn't be where we at if it wouldn't be for God, then you guys. So appreciate you all. Love you all, like I always say. God bless you all. Till the next one, boys. We out.